Three storms: ocean, fire, and rain. In the ocean of my mind, waves crash high. Emotions pull me into a hidden storm. Confusion takes the helm. I drift and fade. Love collides with hate, nowhere to hide. I'm sinking deep in a sea of sorrow. Drowning in pain, will there be tomorrow? Nightmare's grip feels unbearably real. I will wake, and then I will heal. Whispers echo through the darkened soul. A labyrinth of thoughts, control is lost. Shadows dance like memories before me. Truth and lies entwine beneath the storm.
City scorched beneath the earth's breath. Fire is born again in endless birth. Smoldering nights with no escape. Full ignites our burning fate. Shadows dance on ashen ground. Decay surrounds, skies rage red. We live among the dead and flame. Church on the lake, final breath. Hallowed halls defy the death. Survive the blaze, sacrifices made. Flee the flames, find sanctuary now. Hell beneath, yet heaven crowned.
Static rain on an endless window. Echoes of your name linger on. Heartbeats merge with the city hum. Shadows play where our past meets. In static rain, we found a bond. Through the mist, through the pain, we last. Dreams dissolve in morning gloom. Ashes fall in a crowded room. Silhouettes in faded frames remain. Raindrops sing forgotten tunes tonight. Every heartbeat lingers where moments lie. Echoes meet in endless rain again.